Morning, guys. And it is morning. I'm on my way to pick up RP. We basically had a little discussion last night. We figured today's weather's going to be fairly nice. We thought, let's go. Take a droney, get some nice shots, bit of vlogging on the way because it's kind of been a while. But you got to understand how absolutely miserable the weather has been here in Northern Ireland. If you're from Northern Ireland, you know exactly what I've been talking about. It's been such bad weather here. Basically, all I've done the past few months is light a fire and sit in front of it. Obviously, I've been doing some stuff on Facebook. Check out the Facebook Live stuff we're doing. Pete's Pop Quiz type of thing. There's no real structure or anything to it yet, but we're working on it. We're building on it. It's basically we do like old radio stuff they done years ago. I don't know if they're still doing it or not, but you know, guess the intro to the song or reverse a song. We'll maybe throw in some lyrics or something like that there. It's just a bit of crack. But yeah, check out our Facebook for that. Our Facebook. I don't know why I keep on saying ours. It's like I've got a double personality. My Facebook. Yeah, so it's just a little bit of an adventure day today. So we'll go and pick up RP and we'll head off somewhere and we'll do a bit of vlogging, a little bit of droning and a little bit of coffee drinking as well, I would imagine. By the way, Mr. RP will be doing some vlogging soon too, so watch out for his channel. We'll make sure we'll give him a few plugs whenever it goes up, and make sure you subscribe to him as well. And watch out for, you going to do some recipes?
I might start off with a few recipes and then I'm going to do a few unboxing and a few stuff from the drum kit.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, Roy's a drummer by the way as well, so that would be pretty cool if you're into your drumming or you're thinking about taking up drumming or you have a child in the house who annoys you immensely with their drum kit and their senses beating on pans and whatnot with a wooden spoon. Did you ever do that when you were a kid?
No, I actually didn't.
No?
No, I was more on the guitars when I was younger.
That's true. I remember you had a couple of nice guitars as well when you were younger. How long have I known you now?
Oh no, that would mean revealing my age, which
odd years ago, yeah.
I'm sure it is kicking 40 years. Scarily enough.
Yeah. But anyway, we're going to go down here. We're on the north coast. We're going to try and get some lovely places to film and get the drone up as well. So stay tuned. Hi vlog, we're in Portstewart, we're having a coffee, got my nephew with me, Roy's still here, and droning, and if you ever are thinking about taking the drone up near the beach and over water and that sort of thing, be extremely careful of seagulls, the rats of the air. Every time we've flown out now, the seagulls just crowd around the drone like crazy, and I'm just going, and I flew it out over there, and it's just got a bit of water on it. And a couple of the seagulls got rather close, so I brought it back in again, rather sharpish. But every time, at the minute, there's no seagulls here, and I guarantee you, if I put this drone up, it's going to be like a scene from The Birds. Look. Nothing in the sky. And just give me a sec.
grind them up.
One of our ground, please.